We're going to kick things off with the Baghdad Battery, which is an ancient collection of items that were found together that, whenever combined, give off 1.1 volts of direct current electricity. These items include a ceramic jar with a cylindrical copper tube through the top of it with an iron rod sticking through that copper tube. Now, it's made so the jar can be filled with vinegar or another electrolytic solution. The iron rod is separated from the copper cylinder through the top of it by a bushing made of asphalt, likely so the voltage doesn't transfer over and just get wasted, something like that. It only gave off 1.1 volts of electricity, so if it was diluted at all, it probably wouldn't have even accomplished its purposes that it was made for. Now, obviously, 1.1 volt of electricity is not very much compared to most modern batteries, but the fact that they figured out how to do this at all is awesome. See, this thing was found in 1936 in a village near Baghdad, and it's thought to date all the way back to the Sasanian or Parthian empires. The Parthian Empire was an Iranian-based empire that ruled from about 247 BC to 224 AD, and the Sasanians followed that until 650 AD in the same area. Either way you look at it, the Baghdad Battery is at least 1300 years old, so what in the world were people doing with this technology all the way back then? The leading theory is that they used it for electroplating gold onto silver objects. Looking at it historically, you see that a lot of Iraqi artifacts are made of silver and they have a very thin sheet of gold plated onto them. This battery would have put out just enough electricity to use in this electroplating process. So basically what we can take away from this is that over 1,000 years before Europeans and Americans figured out any form of electricity, these ancient Mesopotamians were using it to make their stuff look cooler with gold.